think Zing, the smart new body toner that firms and tones every muscle in your body. Experts agree spot reducing doesn't work, but the Zing body toner works the entire body, from smart stretching moves to flattening and firming resistance training. Zing is guaranteed to be so fast and easy, you'll never miss a workout. There are over 30 different exercises with over 9 resistance levels. The dynamic design gives you an entire gym in one easy-to-use machine for a fraction of the price. We dare you to compare Zing to the monster machines at the gym. Zing Body Toner works your biceps, tones and strengthens triceps. Do upright rows, lateral arm raises, shoulder extensions. Use Zing to strengthen your upper body. Build muscular pecs. Zing is an awesome abdominal exerciser for maximum flattening in minimum time. It's great for firming glutes, thighs, and hips. In less than 10 minutes a day, you'll see amazing results. Ergonomically designed for perfect form, the molded cushions give you perfect comfort. Increase the resistance as you progress. Challenging for professionals. Easy enough for beginners.
It fits under my bed, and I use it when I watch TV. It's easy and fun.
I saw results immediately in my hips and my abs in just 10 minutes a day.
Now, order the only portable exerciser that works your entire body. Results guaranteed.